When we think about aging, many of us believe that decline is inevitable, a downward slide of health and happiness. But what if that's not the full story? Recent research suggests that age doesn't have to mean a loss of well-being. In fact, many older adults can regain vitality, health, and happiness even after setbacks. Today, we explore how aging gracefully is possible at any age and what steps you can take to thrive later in life. Link in the description. A new study of over 8,000 older adults has shown something remarkable. Many who weren't in optimal well-being at the start of the study managed to regain it within just 3 years. The findings challenge the common belief that well-being inevitably declines with age and reveal that positive change is always possible no matter your age. Experts define optimal well-being as more than just physical health. It includes social support, positive perceptions of aging, mental health, happiness, life satisfaction, and the ability to carry out daily activities without severe limitations. And crucially, the study found that psychological and emotional well-being at the start made a huge difference. Those with strong mental health were nearly 5 times more likely to reach optimal health later on. So, what can you do? The research highlights several practical lifestyle factors. I got 4. Physical activity, regular exercise, strength training, and increasing daily steps. Sleep. Good quality sleep supports mental and physical health. Diet. Nutritious eating to fuel your body. Social connections. Maintaining positive relationships and reducing loneliness are vital. Dr. Andrew Freeman emphasizes the mind-body connection. Mental well-being is just as crucial as physical health. Chronic loneliness, for instance, increases stroke risks by over 50%. Simple changes like parking further from the store to walk more, it can make a real difference. Supportive relationships, socioeconomic stability, and a positive outlook are powerful. Even in the face of chronic conditions, resilience is possible. As Dr. Fuller Thompson notes, focusing on these areas helps build strength and resilience, leading to a better quality of life, even when managing health challenges. And importantly, the mindset matters. Believing you can improve and taking small, consistent steps, it can significantly impact your journey toward well-being. While healthier living is easier for some younger adults, the study's message is clear. Aging doesn't have to mean decline. Many older adults can recover, grow, and find renewed vitality. Aging can include periods of growth, resilience, and even joy. Proof that it's never too late to start. No matter your age, it's possible to take control of your health and happiness. Small changes like increasing your daily activity, nurturing relationships, cultivating a positive mindset. All of these can transform your later years. As Dr. Joyce Owen Xiao suggests, simple actions like parking further away to walk more can have a big impact. Remember, your mindset is powerful. Believing in your ability to improve makes it more likely to happen. Because, ultimately, aging isn't just about decline, it's about opportunity. It's never too late to prioritize your well-being and enjoy a vibrant, fulfilling life. All right, that's it. Everybody get out of here. Thanks for coming in, and thanks for stopping by. Feel free to visit the comments section on your way out if you want. If you found anything useful today, Please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, you can always ring the little bell for notifications. Until next time, I'll say so long from the channel at the end of the universe.